Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel for all pocket watch lovers. Today, I'm presenting a truly special piece, a rare Omega pocket watch, with a case awarded at 3 Grand Prix, Paris, Brussels, and Geneva. Inside, it houses the caliber 18 with 15 jewels, a striking example of Omega's precision and watchmaking artistry in the early 20th century. But to understand the historical value of this piece, we need to go back to the beginning of the brand. The story of Omega begins in 1848, when Louis Brandt, in his small workshop in La Chaux-de-Fonds, Switzerland, assembled pocket watches using components from local suppliers. Over time, the pursuit of perfection led the company to develop its own movements, and in 1894, the Omega caliber was born, a movement so precise and innovative that it gave the brand its name. This caliber revolutionized watchmaking. It was interchangeable, easy to assemble, and extremely reliable, allowing Omega to produce watches on a large scale without compromising quality. Thanks to this, Omega pocket watches became a benchmark for precision and reliability, winning awards at international exhibitions, like the ones engraved on the case of this piece. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, these watches were worn by railroad workers, military personnel, and explorers, and excelled in chronometry competitions. This reputation later paved the way for Omega to become the official timekeeper of the Olympic Games. With the rise of wristwatches, the brand maintained the same philosophy, precision engineering and Swiss excellence. Today, pieces like this Omega pocket watch with caliber 18 remain true milestones of watchmaking, reminding us of a time when precision was an art and every watch a masterpiece. Thank you for watching the video.